Drive. Drive fast too. Put your phone up. I'm videoing you. Huh? Come on, drive. Ain't nobody told you to stop.
Man, hold on. This is car.
Man, Jamal, you wasting time. Let me see. Drive. Oh, no. I'm videoing you. You know, Jomaya, right? Come on, drive. I'm videoing you. Man, Jomaya. I want to get her off that drive. Man, come on, Jomaya. Text and drive. Man, come on. Hit the gas. She about to drive, y'all. Hold up. Hold up.
I'm about to go listen to the bank.
No. Let's come on. That's my friend. Sister. Come on. Turn this way. Let me go to the bank. Alright. You want to switch your bikes?
Man, come on.
Where you going at?
Somebody, come on, boy. Dang.
Somebody call you?
Man, somebody come here. Hold up. Wait.
For you?
I don't know what you doing.
Somebody coming for us? Man, what you talking about? Dang, you scared or something? Drive. I'm videotaping you. Drive.
What about work? No, he at work. Home Depot.
He ain't at work this time.
He not?
Not today.
Yes, he is. He told me that he was going to. Oh, he going to work at night.
Oh.
He work at late night. I forgot. Yeah. Like I think he gotta go to work at 11 o'clock. You at work? I'm videotaping her. She going. Okay, she gone. It's my turn. All right. Okay, now videotape me. You ride on this bike.
I don't want to ride that way. I want to ride the other thing.
What?
The thing.
Please. I can't even ride nothing by myself. Man.
Hey, you can ride this one. I'm recording. Give me your phone.
Record me on this bike too. Record me because you ain't ride.